we'll guide you through how to use Vercel AI Elements. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to the Vercel website. Once you're there, log into your account or create one if you haven't already. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard where you can see your existing projects or start a new one. To use AI Elements, click on the Create New Project button. From there, you'll see an option to add integrations. Choose Vercel AI Elements from the list of available integrations. You'll need to configure the AI elements by connecting it to your project. Follow the on-screen instructions to do this. Once connected, you can start adding AI components to your project. Go to the Components library and select the AI elements you want to use, such as chatbots or recommendation systems. Simply drag and drop these elements into your project layout. You can customize the behavior and appearance of these elements by accessing the Settings panel. Here, you can tweak parameters like AI model settings, response behaviors, and more. If you need to test your AI elements, Vercel provides a preview mode. Use this to see how your AI components interact with your project in real time. Remember to save your changes and deploy your project once you're satisfied. Vercel makes it easy to manage your deployments with a single click. If you encounter any issues, check the documentation or Vercel's support for troubleshooting tips. By following these steps, you can effectively integrate and use Vercel AI elements in your projects, enhancing their functionality with powerful AI capabilities. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.